Hey guys, well, it's the weekend. Been busy all week. Been catching a lot of pigs, and well, today we're getting back on the road. So, update on what we got going on here. We have my electric stuff has been delivered. I didn't get to video record hardly anything digging the trench. They called me last weekend, said, hey, we'll be out there Monday. I wasn't ready for them. Of course, I didn't know they were coming. They said like 6 weeks. So, went and got a mini hoe, dug the trench. It had to be 50 inches minimum, so I went just a hair deeper. It's a little over 1,300 foot to where the transformer is going to be set, which is right there. They told me I wouldn't get that till January. It's November. It's the first week of November right now. And oh wait a minute, I'm sorry. There's my transformer. That was the pull box. It goes in the middle. Got my pads. And so, long story short, we've got it dug. I've already got the majority of it backfilled. I've got to get the pads set for the transformer packed in and leveled, and also for the pull box. Then I'm gonna try to grade out around where I think it's gonna be too muddy, but I'm going to try to grade out the road where the line is. Got the mini hoe warming up right now because that's what I'm going to need to use in the woods. The majority of it's along the edge of the road. We'll kind of go over that a little bit later on what kind of issues I've been having with the power company. Started working with them in March just to get an idea of what I needed to do. Took me a couple of months to get the road finished up, opened up back here. Y'all have seen those videos. And it's November and we're just now getting our stuff. It's ridiculous. You ain't gonna build a house anytime soon like that, and that's what's coming. Is we're gonna be getting ready to build a house. Let the machine warm up. I've just got back from picking up corn, so I've been trapping these hogs now since with the new trap since end of July, I think, or August. And I had started out just using bags and everything, but I ran out of corn, so I got 6 barrels of corn. Seems like I'm going through about 2 barrels a month. I'm up to 103 live hogs. I'm not really counting fetuses, the ones that are unborn. I ain't got time to cut them open and count, just a showboat. I'm trying to help these people out. So we're still on a job up and close to where I'm at. There's a video coming out on that one. If it hadn't already came out, it'd be coming out after this. One of the two. All right, enough jibber jabbing. Time to get to work. Alright guys, right down through here in the slow spot where the second culvert's going, it's too wet. I'm trying to pack the ditch with the tires, and all I'm doing is bogging down. I'm probably going to end up getting stuck if I keep messing around right here. So I just straddled the ditch and came down through here with the land planer, and then I'm going to go ahead and start back filling up here on this top of the road. This is a little swag through here. And then I'll work my way up. Probably let the dozer or the track hoe, when they set the culvert, just grade this out. There's going to be a lot more fill dirt put in here. So I'm gonna work this way. Alright, so I took a little break. My daughter Hannah is getting ready for homecoming tonight, so I want to come over here and see her real quick.
You can put her back in. Uh-oh, hold on.
You know I can't come when you down the stairs.
Here, I'll get the book.
It'll take me a second getting down the stairs.
You good? Watch out. Take your time.
Yeah. Hold this. I'm like cling to
hang on.
Okay. One. This. Two. Three. Oh, wait, hi dog.
Hey, Lena.
Oh, I made it.
It's a little short, huh? It's not 4 inches.
Not. That's probably just a little. It doesn't come down.
They don't care about dresses. It's
Hers is longer. I guarantee you. Wait till you see the pictures. Hers is longer than everybody else.
Look, I'm as tall as you now.
Yeah.
Look at those heels.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. It should be the last morning. Should be the last day that I fool with this. Besides grading the road after it settles some more. So basically, I've made it to the front. There's the main entrance to the property. It's a little tighter in here. I didn't clear the trees as much. I was trying to keep the privacy, and I made a little turn right there to where they can't see all the way down. People like shoot deer off the roads. Anyways, I need to finish filling in this trench. I'm gonna use the tractor in the areas I can to push all the dirt in, but areas where it's tight against the trees right here, use the mini hoe, rake it in, then I'll be able to backfill with the tractor. I mean, grade it out with the tractor. Packing it takes a little bit of time. The inspector's coming this week, and I need to get this done. So it shouldn't take too much time. And then I'm supposed to go get hay today for the horses, our winter hay. Anyways, so I'm gonna try to get a little bit more video for you guys. I'm almost done with this project. We got a lot of things going on. Just trying to go. Ready to build the shop, ready to build the house, ready to get out here, start working on the new homestead. All right, let's get after it. So I pretty much got everything done all the way up to where the house is going to be, and called the contractor and asked him, I said, how far do I need to be from where the pole is going to be at? So I need to be 6 foot. So the red flag is where the pole is, and I still got quite a bit. Probably need to be just past this T-post, and then get that packed in. Gonna need some more dirt, I can tell, once we get this all done. But so I'm gonna start pushing some dirt down here, packing it in, pushing some dirt, packing it in, and then do a little grading on it later. He said 6 foot, so I left it roughly 6 foot. I'll just tell him where I grew up at. He'll say, oh, okay, I understand. Red flag, I got some dirt in there. They can dig it out if they need to. But we, once the inspection is done, I'll come back and I'll grade all this out, make it real pretty, push my rock back over. Probably buried a little bit of the rock, but we'll be getting more anyways. I got plenty of dirt. There's a huge dirt pile over there from probably 25 years ago when they logged this one track over there. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. While I got the Minio here, I'm actually going to do some more work, not filming it. I just need to get some stuff done. Gotta go get hay today. But hope you liked the video. Hit the subscribe button, be part of our family, and we'll see you on the next video.